Hi gorgeous girls, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a closet clean out vlog. This is something that I've needed to do for a very long time and I feel like the beginning of the year is the perfect time to start to get organized. Really, starting the spring cleaning early. I figured if you were someone that also needed to organize your house, or maybe this will inspire you to organize a part of your house, you could throw this on, maybe clean while I do it, but I just thought this would be a really fun video to make. So definitely let me know in the comments how you feel about organizing / cleaning vlogs. I always really like them because I feel like they really motivate me. So maybe we can, motivate each other here. It's about 1 o'clock right now and I'm thinking this is gonna take me like most of the day. My mom is actually coming over to help me. I think we'll probably need a little caffeinated beverage of sorts, and then we'll head up to my office and get into the organizing. Hopefully this goes well. Okay, we're upstairs in my office. I have my closets exposed. My mom is also here.
Hi.
Exposing myself how messy this is. There's just like a lot of shit in here.
A lot of shit.
Yeah, it really needs cleaned out. It needs organized. The goal is to condense everything into one closet. This is not full on both sides, by the way. This is only full on that side.
Do you like fold your sweaters and put them anywhere?
I fold stuff and put
it on top.
Yeah. So there's a lot we need to get into. Also, this is like all stuff that I'm keeping, but it's like all my winter jackets and newer clothes that need put away. I think there's the garbage bags. I think a get rid of pile, a Play-Doh's pile. I think I'm gonna start going through everything and I'll say like what pile and you can organize or if it needs to go. This dress is so cute, but I'm like, I never even wore it this summer out. Would I wear it this summer?
It's so cute with a jean jacket. So cute in your hair.
Okay, I think I also need like a maybe pile of things I don't know
I'm gonna start a maybe pile over here because I feel like it's gonna be big.
I'm gonna keep this trench coat. It's like a light spring jacket.
Do we need a keep pile?
Maybe
the bed could be the keep.
And like, cause I can keep it on a hanger. This really cute midi dress, but I never got to wear it, but I don't know if it'll fit.
Be a great wedding dress.
A wedding dress?
To go to a wedding.
Oh, to go to one. I think it looks too close to white. Okay, but this is so cute. So I might have to try that on, but I think I want to keep that. This is my wedding dress, but I have other stuff in here that I didn't end up wearing. This dress, I think I would definitely sell. That was my actual wedding dress, so I guess I have to keep that.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's so cute.
This I wore for our wedding dinner, but I don't really. Do you think I need to keep it? I guess I'll keep it.
So cute.
The memories.
Here, you want over there then?
This was just like a white robe that I wore to get ready in.
I mean, do you need a robe?
I'm just gonna keep it. I have this. This is my only Bloomsburg thing I have. I kept it just for memories. Do you think I need that?
Yeah, I think
to give to my child one day.
I think you definitely.
Then I don't think I need this. This is just Goodwill.
Okay, I'm gonna make a pile first, then I'll bag it.
This vest.
Yeah.
I like this shirt. I don't think I need it. This is a really cute t-shirt, but I feel like I could fold this. This is Millie's dress.
What?
It's just her birthday dress.
Yeah.
Like her shorts. I forgot I had these, honestly. I feel like I need to try those on. So.
I'll take it.
Really cute striped. It's just too oversized.
It is oversized, but I don't care. What a cute moving shirt.
Moving shirt, you could wear it to work, maybe. It's like a button up.
Yeah, with leggings and boots and a turtleneck underneath.
Oh my
god.
Oh, I forgot I have this. It's like
I have this, Nick.
I don't really think I would wear this. I literally thrifted this shirt. It is cute, but it can just go. I feel like maybe Hannah would want it. This I need to sell on like Poshmark. It's like a really nice workout set, but I just don't.
Oh, it's like a 3-piece suit.
Yeah, it's like, this is like a...
Oh, that's nice.
A top, and then it has a jacket. I just feel like I never really loved the pattern. Sides. I honestly don't think I'm ever gonna probably wear that. I love this sweater. These I need to like sell on Poshmark because they're brand new.
Yeah,
I do have this sweater that I got. It's Ralph for rent. I got it at a thrift store. But the neck hole is so tight, it like doesn't even fit over my head.
I mean, I would just donate it. That's so inundated. Like everybody has so much of that. But that's a pretty sweater though.
Right now we have my jeans, and then like those are kind of some miscellaneous stuff.
I'm not gonna overpack these bags with Play-Dohs. I don't like that.
And then have some Goodwill and Poshmark, but I mean, it doesn't look too bad. We have a lot of space up there now. Oh my good. That's Goodwill.
But those are ones like mine.
I love them. I just need the regular calf, I think.
Yeah.
I don't want to get rid of them, but I didn't wear
Do
them.
the box.
No. I didn't wear them at all this year because they're just way too big. They don't look right.
I was just thinking, I have them on box
We need
still.
some faceline tights. They're very nice. They look like your legs, but they're
Oh, sure. I mean, yeah, because I got
it's a little bit better in there now. Moving on to this side of my closet, and then we kind of have to try to consolidate everything. I feel like maybe I will try this on to see if it fits. I need to try that one too.
That's cute. That would look beautiful with your hair.
This skirt is so cute. I didn't get a chance to wear it yet.
That is cute.
It's like a brown midi.
Decent.
I need to try that on.
Fine.
See how
Beats
I
a lot
feel.
of stuff. Is it a blazer?
No, it's like a structured shirt. Like it buttons up. Yeah.
Yeah, because I got rid of so much. I got rid of all my work clothes.
I like this flannel, but it's like, honestly, it's like really bad quality. So I can just go Goodwill. I love this set, but I don't know if I'd ever wear it again. Top, but I don't really know.
Wait, I remember when did you ever wear that?
No.
It's cute though. It could be
I
so
need to
cute.
figure out how to style it, but maybe I need to try it on. Will I ever wear this again though? I don't know.
In my opinion, I'm gonna say you're never gonna wear it again. If you're asking my opinion or not, based on what you're keeping.
Yeah.
It has nice straps on it for a summer dress. You could actually wear a bra.
This isn't, you said, no, this is
It's different. It's really cute.
It's only $10. But it's like a scarf you can wear like this. But you could also do it like this with a jacket.
Do you know that looks really into Are these, you getting rid of this stuff right here?
No, I just need to fold that. All right, it's getting intense. I gotta put my hair up. I might have to take my jacket off.
We can refold stuff later if you just want to gut it first.
Yeah, I'll just throw stuff. This is also, I'm gonna have to like, I just need to refold and organize it.
That's where those separators will really come in handy. I'm just gonna say something. This stuff that you're all keeping, we're gonna refold it. That's gonna take a lot of space up.
I know.
So, this is what I'm talking about. This will change your life, Meredith. You just put them on top of there and then it separates everything.
Oh yeah, that would be helpful.
Yeah, because you have a lot of stuff that you fold and find things.
Well, oh wait, the other thing too, I forgot to mention, I'm gonna get a dresser. Time to fold some stuff, possibly go through it again. I feel like I have all my workout gear.
Is this stuff you throw over here, Goodwill?
I want these leggings.
You already said once that they were very green. I'm just saying.
I know, it's like, what do they match? Like,
got new jammies. Those are cute.
yeah.
Do you want these hung up?
Oh yeah, they can get hung
They're
up.
pretty cute.
I love this sweater, but I feel like it's so like fuzzy.
I have, oh my gosh, I have a really great peeler, like a big one I got. A shaver.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I have this skirt if you want it. It's really cute.
I think you're pretty good, Meredith.
Do you think so?
You got, well, just here you have 2.5 bags of Goodwill, a full bag for Play-Dohs, you have a pile for Poshmark, a bag for Hannah and I, And then it's just that right there.
Should we take a little break?
Huh?
Should we take a little break?
Sure, I don't care.
Okay. I'm taking a little snack break, and then I have to go try some stuff on to see if I want to keep it or not. I also have to go through all my shoes. It's time to try on some clothes to see if I want to keep them.
Okay,
Like-
that shirt's really cute though, Meredith.
Oh, you think it is?
What do you think it is? I mean, I would
It's
have,
like,
I would have those sleeves all slopped up, all kinds of food, but like you could wear it.
I feel like I thought it was gonna be like cuter than it is. I don't know.
Yeah, I guess the sleeves are kind of.
Like, it almost doesn't sit right or something. I feel like too, yeah, like what do I wear under this?
I don't think you would wear it.
What would I wear under this?
I think
like it looks cheap or something, like the way that,
I guess-
I think it's like not the right kind of sheer. But it could have been cute, but it's just
Or a
not.
bathing suit cover up.
It would only be cute as a bathing suit cover up. But there's something off about it that
The
I
middle part, the bodice, that is okay.
wear it in the fall with like a
Tights
boot.
and boots.
I mean, it is so, I still think it is cute. It's very low. Like,
Yeah, it's boobalicious for sure.
this is cute.
Hmm. I like it. I think it's very cute.
I don't know about these boots with it, but it's super cute from the front. It's so short.
It's very short though.
Yeah. But it's like, yeah, imagine if it hikes up at all. Oh my gosh, my whole butt cheeks are. Maybe a brown boot and a brown toned top. They're kind of barely, but like with the,
I love, what's that light gray? I love light gray with that color.
with like a pointed toe boot. Plus I like that you can cinch it because like usually men's pants, they gap in the back. I think in the summer, like in a little coastal town.
Where's your Irish sweater at? And that and brownie boots and be and you put a crossbody. That'd be so
That'd be cute. Maybe like when I go to New York.
Oh my god, that'd be so.
That's what if this was
I know.
black polka. Oh my gosh, this would be so cute if this was black polka dots.
Mm-hmm.
Or wait, that black polka dot skirt that I gave you.
Oh, it's somewhere. That looks so cute together. I know it's not the right color. Don't get rid of that shirt, Meredith. Like,
It's
I don't,
cute, huh?
I don't care that you don't like strapless. It looks really good on.
If I think when I wore it, it didn't fit me right. Like it was too tight. I think it fits really well now. Wait, this is cute with the skirt.
I just said that. And booties.
And like you're right. If I had a, oh my
Your
gosh,
new
my
purse.
purse.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, this is actually so cute.
Mm-hmm.
I'd have to do those boots. The only thing is my pointed toe boots aren't that comfortable. Again, like a little coastal and like a little sneaker and a denim jacket.
Mm-hmm.
And I never got a chance to wear it this summer. The skirt is really cute. I just wore it for the first, I mean, I just got it.
Well,
like,
then you already know you like it.
yeah. It's time to go through the shoes though, which actually I think I went through my shoes a few months ago, so hopefully it's not too bad. Get rid of much of anything. But definitely these gold shoes.
Oh, these look.
I never wore them. So I'm just-
Oh, those are Doc Martens?
yeah, they're so cute, but they don't fit.
Oh, where am I at? Downstairs. Wait, let me see them. Yeah. Remember I bought those?
Yeah.
Or were these ones I got
I think so.
for the Christmas trip? But you know I'll take them if I can get rid of them.
Thank you.
Yeah. They should give a matching pen also. Are those elf ears? Where'd you get those?
Amazon, but I wore them to the run fair one year. So look,
It's so
put
funny.
yours on. Oh, this was a sticker from that roastery at Stowe. Old jobs, I was contracted with Big Lots. Oh, these glasses, are these cute? I think it is my prescription. These are all my Alex and Ani's.
I have a garbage bag with some stuff.
Yeah, this is like trash.
But I might
Those
need
might have been. Those might not be the one. Those
Yeah.
might be ones that I bought.
You never know when you're gonna need stuff like that. Maybe you'll need a friend who likes Christmas as much as I do.
Sure. You're like a.
Boy, it's heavy.
It's a cute purse, but it's ripped on the bottom.
Oh yeah, you're right, it is.
This closet, I know it is a little crazy, But I am planning on getting a dresser to put that stuff in. So we have this closet. It's pretty, it is more organized than it was. It doesn't look that good, but okay. And then this closet, we have mostly cleaned out. There's nothing up here and only like this little bit of clothes, which I'm gonna get a dresser. So probably this will get a little bit more organized.
Oh my God, this is adorable.
Isn't it?
I want to have this. This is
of course. Cute. For reference, look at all the garbage bags that we got through.
Oh, there's actually more over there.
There's actually more. There's 3 over there?
Mm-hmm, 3. Well,
Three.
4.
4 bags and all of these.
And that too, that's
And that hamper. I think we did a good job.
Goodwill.
Okay, gorgeous girls. It's a bit later and done with my room for now. That is like the first step in the organization of my office. I actually think I'm gonna end up totally rearranging my office in future videos. So if you guys like this like organizing video, definitely let me know. Right now, I actually got Chipotle as a little treat for dinner because I feel like I deserve it after what I did today. But yeah, I'm gonna eat some Chipotle for dinner so we can eat together and hang out for the rest of the night, I thought, if you want. I also really just like, I don't feel like making dinner. Like I spent all day organizing and I have to go to work tomorrow. I don't really want to make dinner tonight. Adam's going to pick up Chipotle and we're probably gonna watch our programs, eat our Chipotle. I'm gonna do this strawberry lemon poppy. Adam's gonna do caffeine-free Coke Zero, grabbing my favorite hot sauce, and we'll wait for my man to get home with the Chipotle. Time for some Chipotle.
Hopefully they didn't forget nothing.
Skimpy on the queso tonight.
Oh,
I'll give you one with
that's
more.
a little bit trifling.
I'll give you the one with more in it. Because I love you. White rice, black beans, chicken, corn, green salsa, lettuce, and then I got sour cream and queso on the side. It looks like, yes, they got everything
Okay.
in there. But the portions are always later
Always
when you do a
later.
pickup versus if you go there and look them in the eye. But honestly, I'm just happy my order's correct. Your order looks correct.
Looks good, okay.
And last time, you guys remember the last time we got Chipotle? What? I got sour cream for me, but you can use some.
Yeah, we usually never use all of it.
Was it the last time we got Chipotle? They forgot our queso.
I mean, yeah, it was bad.
We were pretty upset.
I think that was the last time we did like an online order. I think everything after that has been.
But yeah, I think we went in the one time and it was really good. But
Yeah.
all right, time to
Hey, get on.
eat and watch. Whoa, holy crap. Look at that salt.
Well,